manufacture vaccination in this region, so that going forward we become more prepared. And I know that is in your priority list with your colleagues, Your Excellency. I'm pleased to inform you that the East African Community Partner States, they have no visa requirements, in fact. It's only DRC we are trying to integrate them, and soon they will not be requiring visa to travel to DRC. In fact, moving from Kenya to Uganda or Rwanda, you need a national ID, and we are working towards ensuring that all countries within East Africa, you just need your national ID and you move freely. And therefore, Your Excellency, as well, the one-stop border post, and in your many speeches you have also told us, we need a borderless East Africa. And putting the one-stop border post, they have facilitated movement of people, but also goods. And this is something we are working on. We have always enhanced digitalization of operations to facilitate safe access of wealth for people who are moving across. But also we are working on legal framework that would allow an environment for labor mobility in the region. Your Excellency, the deeper understanding of the role of human mobility vis-a-vis regional integration is never more urgent than now. And I think this report that you are launching today, Your Excellency, will be so critical. And I assure you that ourselves as East African community, we are optimistic that practitioners and policymakers will make use of the recommendations coming from the report, Your Excellency, so that we become strong together. Finally, I underscore East African community's commitment to continue working with all of you and partner states and our development partners to support our countries in the region to implement recommendations of the report. I thank you, and God bless all of you, Excellency.
Next, Your Excellency, allow me to now invite His Excellency Isaac Mohamud Masau, Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, the Federal Republic of Somalia.
Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Excellencies, Honorable Minister,